In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your crosshair in Valorant Updated 2026 Guide. Once you are ready, press the Escape key on your keyboard. This will open the game menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where you can adjust different parts of the game. At the top of the settings window, look for the Crosshair tab and click on it. This is where all of your crosshair customization options are located. When you first open the Crosshair section, you may see some basic settings. To access all of the editing options, turn on Advanced Options. This is important because it gives you more control over how each crosshair type looks and behaves in-game. After Advanced Options is enabled, you will see different crosshair categories. These usually include primary, aim-down sights, and sniper scope. Each one controls a different type of crosshair, so you can customize them separately depending on how you want them to appear. If you want to change your main crosshair, click on Primary. This section lets you edit the crosshair you see most of the time during regular gameplay. Once you are inside that section, you can begin adjusting the available settings to create the look you want. If you want to change the crosshair that appears while aiming down sights, click on Aim Down Sights. This section is separate from the primary crosshair, so any changes you make here will only affect your aim down sights view. For sniper weapons, click on Sniper Scope. This section allows you to edit the sniper scope crosshair settings. Just like the other sections, it works independently, so you can give it a different look if needed. To edit any of these crosshair types, simply click the section you want, then adjust the settings inside it. If you want to switch to another one, go back and select that category. The process is the same for primary, aim down sights, and sniper scope. Once you finish making your changes, you can close the settings menu. Your updated crosshair settings will be saved automatically, and you can start using them right away in-game.